In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change measurement units in WPS Office. If you are working on documents in WPS Office and you want your measurements to match your preferred format, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step in a clear and easy way. Changing the measurement units can make tasks like adjusting margins, setting page layouts, or aligning objects feel more natural, especially if you are more comfortable using a specific unit of measurement. To begin, make sure WPS Office is already open on your computer and that you are on the main interface. Move your cursor to the upper left corner of the window and click on File. When you do this, a menu will appear showing several settings and options related to how WPS Office works. From this menu, look for the option labeled Options and click on it. This will open a new window where you can customize different preferences within the application. These settings allow you to adjust how WPS Office behaves and displays information while you are working. Once the Options window is open, direct your attention to the list of categories on the left side. Click on the section that opens the General and Save settings. This area contains general preferences that affect your overall experience when using WPS Office. Within the General settings, look for the option related to measurement units. By default, this setting is usually set to centimeters. This means that margins, rulers, and layout measurements are displayed using centimeters across your documents. To change this, click on the Measurement Units drop-down menu and select the unit that best suits your needs, such as inches. After selecting your preferred option, take a moment to make sure the correct unit is highlighted, confirming your choice. Once you are satisfied with the selection, move to the bottom of the window and click the OK button. This action applies the change and closes the settings window. From this point forward, WPS Office will use your newly selected measurement unit throughout the application. You should now see that rulers and layout measurements reflect the unit you chose, making document editing more comfortable and consistent with your preferences. This setting can be changed again at any time if you decide to switch to a different unit later. That is all you need to do to successfully change the measurement units in WPS Office. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.